so she doesn't like you. Let me tell you something. Stay hard. Women will never tell you this, but in general, this is fucking reality. Direct to the point. Women don't like a boy who doesn't have clear goals in his life, who always stay in his comfort zone. A male who doesn't stand for nothing and falls for everything, who has no defined boundaries and preferences. So anybody can push his buttons or go under his skin. In other words, it's easy to manipulate. An immature boy who accepts lose-win deals just to keep people around him. A boy who isn't brave enough to approach a girl and tell her that he finds her attractive and wants to meet her better, but takes the sneaky approach of let's be friend first. Now let's reverse it. So you don't f yourself. Women's like someone who has clear goals in life, who is very happy doing what he loves and loves what he does, who is not afraid of conflict and feels comfortable saying no and hearing no, and only accepts win-win deals, who never accepts second-class behavior from anybody, and in particular, beautiful girls, who's brave enough to approach a strange girl in the street or the elevator and start a conversation with her in a charming and chivalrous way. Let her know that he feels attracted to her and wants to find out if they can have more than a friendship relationship. Now let's go to the lesson, simple and facts and compact. So listen. 1, don't seek for attention. A high-value man doesn't need attention and validation from anyone to know his value. He recognizes his own value, makes a conscious effort to appreciate the value in those around him. As a result, he will attract women because he comes across as secure in who he is and how he moves through the world. And this means he can be trusted to be himself. Unlike a needy man who will do and say anything to get the attention, he needs to feel good about himself. That will not attract women. 2, confidence. It's out of all attractive traits to have, what's an irresistible trait if you want to attract women? And most women can tell right away whether or not you're confident just by looking at your body language, including your facial expressions. For example, if you're fidgeting or making yourself look small in your environment, women will see you as lacking confidence. So the first step to attracting women is to adopt confident body language. Keep your body movements calm and controlled. Make yourself big. Make eye contact. Don't be afraid to take up room and claim the space immediately around you. If that's difficult due to feeling nervous or uncomfortable, take slow, deep breaths while focusing on the sensations in your body. Can you feel your feet? This will help you relax and allow that confident body language to come out naturally. 3, build sexual tension. This is how to attract any girl would be a tip on how to build sexual tension and direct sexual desire. After all, this is what keeps you out of the friend zone. One of the most effective ways to build sexual tension with women is through physical contact. Start touching early on in your conversation by lightly tapping the back of your hand against her elbow. If she's okay with that contact, you can gradually increase physical contact for longer periods of time in more intimate areas, shoulder, back, thigh, face. 4, don't expect. One thing that will help you tremendously when learning how to attract women is being unattached to the outcome. That is to say, don't get hung up on whether or not you get a phone number, a date, or even get a girl to like you. Just enjoy the process of meeting women, focus on having fun. If you're not looking to get anything from your interactions with women, then you'll have no trouble being confident, fun, open, and sexual with women. That's it. Now help me build our community. Consider subscribing to this channel